boy. It's Boogie's time. Boogie now.
I know. It's a lot to take in, isn't it?
Please make sure I'm moving all the way forward.
Never seen anyone as powerful as I. Don't you? Yes. Much more soothing. I hope you enjoy the fire show I've arranged. Fire is my specialty after all.
Hi guys, happy Halloween. Have a good one.
And I thought, that's incredible. He's correct the name. And I'm a genius. I've been a genius since I was gay high. And I said, shit, I feel like my boots. You're interrupting my monologue, but I'll let it slide. It's good to see me, isn't it? The pleasure's all yours. Please take as many photos as you like. Let me show you some heroics, okay?
Everything's so fly and gloomy. Grinning, a Halloween boogie.
strong, confident, beautiful young lady. How cute you too. Great. Now I'm the bad guy.
Yes, you there. Was I wearing? I simply must have it. Who's seen the puppet? Have you? Oh, darling, who trips you into wearing that? It's the apple in the groove. Wicked wishes all come true. Ghosts and ghouls in the night. Summon forth your screams of fright.
I feel like that is an inaccurate name. It should be more likely referred to as 5 disappointments and a boring robot. You see, they had so much potential, but yet they've seen fit to use their extracurricular activities to play a superhero.
Another side eye. I get it. Now you look impressed by all the decorating, right? I know.